Welcome to the Chop Challenge, a team-building activity that serves up creativity, precision, and the power of processes. Round 1. Get into teams and step into the shoes of a restaurant crew. Using clay and standard tools, teams must produce an equal number of 3 different food items within a given time, ensuring every item looks uniform. Round 2. Teams now follow their set processes to fulfill customer KOTs, kitchen order tickets. Each order must be completed with standardized clay items, reinforcing the importance of consistency and maximizing customer value. Round 3. The final test is to apply lean thinking and deliver a bulk order using the same clay and materials while minimizing wastage. This round puts efficiency and process discipline to the ultimate test. The Chop Challenge focuses on 3 key learning outcomes: process standardization, customer value, and lean thinking.